Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry it's been such a long time. I've been so busy over Christmas and then I found out I'm expecting my second baby, so I've been busy. So yeah, I'm really sorry, I'm going to catch up, promise. So today I'll be doing somebody else's design for a Facebook competition. I'll put all the details below for that, and also credit the original nail techs who did this design at the end. On the ring finger I've just gone for a full cover of Rosa, I think it's called, by CJP. It's like a very slightly shimmery nude, and I'm just doing a sort of blend up the pointer finger into glitter and then leaving a gap and doing a little bit more glitter. Do not have a clue where this glitter's from, just like most of my glitters, because I don't keep things labelled. I am an absolute unorganised mess. The pink one is actually, I'm sure it's an acrylic from Glam and Glitz. I'll find out the name for it. But the gold one is just something random from God knows when. And when I've done that design, I'm just going to cap in clear to build my apex and obviously protect the design from when we file. On the middle finger I'm just using both of those glitters to create an ombre effect from the cuticle upwards or downwards, whichever way you want to look at it. The reason I'm using both glitters is because that gold is, even though it's really nice, it's so flat, whereas the pink's got that AB shimmer in it, so I just wanted a bit of both because I'm greedy. And then at the bottom I'm just going to put a bead of clear acrylic, I'm going to let it go matte, and then I'm going to press some mesh into it, or fishnet, whatever you want to call it. I actually personally did it a little bit too soon, so I had to neaten up the little gaps and the spiky bits, and then when that's fully dry we'll go back in with a colour. I think this colour I'm using on the little finger is called Mulberry, but I'll check and put it in the description box. And again, I'm just using those glitters to do sort of ombre effect. So going back to the middle finger, I'm just pushing that mulberry into the impression that we made with the mesh, and when that's dried we'll file it off and encapsulate. I'm using quite a wet bead just to make sure it gets all in all the little nooks and crannies, because some bits are deeper than others, and just to give like an even effect. On the thumb I'm using Rosa to create the start of a reverse French. As you can see, I got a little bit of that mulberry in it because I'm an absolute mess, and then we're just using the mulberry on the end faded into a little bit of glitter. And then I'm just encapsulating that design with crystal clear to sort the apex out and obviously protect the design as normal. So going back to the middle finger, I'm just filing off the excess colour to bring out the design from the embedding. I don't know what I'm on about. From the imprint, yeah, and then I'm gonna clean over that and encapsulate in crystal clear. In fact, I'm not, I'm gonna add a little bit more glitter over so that it's more of a blend, because it was quite brutal, as you can see. So yeah, once I've done that, then I will encapsulate and leave it ready to file. And then I'm just going back and ensuring that I've encapsulated and built up my apex and all the rest of the nails before getting ready for filing. I'm not going to run you through this hand because it is just the same as the other hand, except I have mixed the order up. But I will tell you two things. So excuse my nails are absolutely disgusting. You can see that I've got half of my last step still on. My hands, my nails are just covered in tan. And this client is my friend, and as you can see, her ring finger is a right mess. She's basically had a little a nail accident at work and pulled her nail off of a nail bed. Now if this was a normal client, I wouldn't dream of putting a nail on. I'd just be like, tough shit, you're gonna have a breather. But this girl does not let me say that to her, and with it being my friend, obviously I trust her, and you know, if it falls off it's her own fault. So yeah, that's what that finger is, and the reason it's blue is because she's also a hairdresser. So she's got purple shampoo down it, I think, or something like that, which has stained it, so you can see exactly how much has lifted away. Like I said, I do not advise you to apply nails to that sort of weak foundation for two reasons really, because A, it's obviously, if you catch it, it's likely to actually just pull off, and B, I feel like you need to keep an eye on it. But like I said, Laura is just ruthless and wants the nails on, so So I forgot to film my phone, unless I've deleted it by accident, God knows, you know what I'm like with technology. So I'll just tell you what it was. It was the same as the little finger on the other hand, which is just mulberry ombre into the glitter. And also I'm really sorry it's been off centre for half of this. I didn't film my filing, just again to keep the length of this video down with me doing two hands. So after I'd filed, I went over with a sand turtle, a little woofer, and then obviously cleared of dust and used CJP's top gloss to top coat. And that's it really, guys. I was going to pop up the picture of the original artwork by the nail tech who I was inspired by, but then I thought maybe she might not want me to, so I'm just going to put her name below and the details of the competition, etc. Please leave a like, a comment to say you're here, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you.